spots right here. I don't know, we'll see. Sheesh. Nice, huh? What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today, how many miles am I at right now? I'm at about, I want to say, I'm at 3,000. I'm at 390 miles right now on the new engine and the new clutch right now. So we're still breaking it in, almost at 500. And then after that, I'm gonna do an oil change, check it out, see how it is, and then probably do another oil change at 1,000 miles. I just want the oil to be clean. I want to make sure nothing's wrong with it. You know, I want to make sure it's good, guys. Right now, me and Carlos are headed over to a little spot I like to do photo shoots at. It's over here in Palos, Verdes. It's a really cool little spot. I'll show you guys here in a minute when we get up there. Also, guys, before we get into anything, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe to the channel, turn on those post notifications, and let's get into this video, guys. Also, guys, peep the tint. Can you guys tell the difference? The front is 50 and the sides are all 5, and the back and everything else. But yeah, we ended up tinting the windows. Down in Hermosa Beach area. Oh shoot, you know what? I forgot Carlos. I wonder if he's behind me. What did they do? Dig up this road? My goodness. Yeah, he's coming. He's coming. He's coming. Better stop for a second. Still not 100% used to this clutch, but you know, we're getting there. Bear with me, guys. I have the mouthpiece right now, so it's a little weird on the GoPro. We're gonna wait right here for Carlos. There he is. Look at this beetle, guys. It's so weird, like trying to multitask this camera in my mouth and drive. It's like the weirdest thing ever. It's like I just can't do it. That was a cool looking Maserati. Those things are so cheap now. I think you can get them for like 35 grand. They used to be so expensive. What happened, Maserati? Like a big complaint about all those kids right now on those Surons and like the Talarias and E-Ride Pros. They've been like riding through down here in this area and like kicking cars and like riding away. They've been like, it's been pretty bad. So they've been like confiscating their their bikes as soon as they see them. If cops stop you, like you're pretty much done. I didn't even help. No. Oh, it's gonna get bad. It's gonna get really bad. Luckily, we are going up here. Look, there's more of them. There's more of them. See? A ton of them everywhere. Oh, I can't see anything. I can't see a thing. Oh my god. Wow. And let's see how it looks. Oh yeah. So this is a spot, guys. So I'm trying to maybe get some shots right here. I don't know, we'll see. It's a little more overgrown than it was last time, but we're gonna try and see how it goes. Yeah, that looks really good on the GoPro. Sheesh. And this is why we live in California. Sheesh. Nice, huh?
Some birds.
I can see them all down there. That's crazy. All right, we are catching a little bit of the sunset. That was sick, huh? Guys, that's like a crazy downhill section coming down from Palos Verdes. Like, you could catch so much speed going down that hill. It's crazy. All right, let's see how many gallons to fill up. Gas right now is $2.95 right now, so that's not too bad. It's actually pretty good to be in it. I don't know how much it is where you guys live, but it's probably gonna be $37. Usually is. My money's on 37.
Grab two 13.7-ounce Starbucks Frappuccinos for only $7 inside the Rocket Store.
No. Oh, I was right. I know my tank. One time I drove away with that open. I was on the road and I just see my I see it in the mirror and I'm like, come on. And I was like hoping it would close while I was driving. Of course not. Of course not, right? Why would it? All right, guys. Picked up some gas. But yeah, guys, we're at a total of 409.9 miles on the motor and clutch right now. So 410, almost at 420, guys. You know what I'm saying? It is April 3rd. We're getting close to 420. I don't partake in that kind of stuff though, guys. But yeah, guys, probably gonna end the vlog on this one right here. Thanks for coming along with me on that drive. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you so much for just everything, guys. All the engagements help me out a lot. The likes, the shares, comments, my new subscribers, things like that. Yeah, I really appreciate you guys. You guys are awesome. But don't forget to comment, like, subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't already done so. Turn on those post notifications. And probably going to be doing something else here in the next couple of days or so. So stay tuned, guys. Peace.